parents. Today we all gathered here to celebrate the graduation day as they completed their senior KG successfully. It's a time to part and it's a time to celebrate. I hope this morning, this day, going to be a most memorable for all, especially for the little graduates and to their parents. So I would like to call upon our stage Mrs. Movita.
Next, I welcome you, Sir Janab Abdul Samad UK. Janab UK Abbas, President of Jumma Masjid Kotepura Ullal. Welcome you, Sir. Janab Hamid Malak, Principal of TIPPU SULTHAN School, Kotepura Ullal. Very happy to welcome you, sir. I heartily welcome our teachers and staff of our school. I welcome you. First, a huge round of applause. I welcome you, Geeta ma'am in high school, ma'am. With God's blessings.
Today is a special day as we celebrate our graduation day. My name is Aisha Nafsat Sahla from UKG. It is indeed a great pleasure to stand before you and share some precious moments we spent in our school for their past 1 year. Firstly, I would like to thank our teachers for their hard work and dedication we spent in our school for their past 1 year. Firstly, I would like to thank our teachers for the hard work and dedication. We have learned the alphabets, numbers, rhyme, story, Arabic words, good handwriting, discipline and good behavior. Next, I would like to thank our parents for their love and support. Thank you. Good morning, respected sir, ma'am, parents and all my dear friends. I am Sara from UKG. Today I am delighted to welcome you all on the occasion of graduation day. I would like to share my experience with you. I learned many things during my journey. Thank you.
We are going to perform dance for Arabic music.
نحن فتيات القرآن ننعم في خير وأمان. نحن فتيات القرآن ننعم في خير وأمان بتلاوة آيات فضلى من عند الله الرحمن. من عند الله الرحمن. أقرأ وأرتل وأتدبر فيما أحفظه وأتفكر. أقرأ وأرتل وأتدبر فيما أحفظه وأتفكر كي تعلو درجاتي أكثر. كي تعلو درجاتي الدرجات أكثر في جنة رب المنان، في جنة رب المنان. نحن فتيات القرآن ننعم في خير وأمان، نحن فتيات القرآن ننعم في خير وأمان، بتلاوة آيات فضلى من عند الله الرحمن، من عند الله الرحمن. يا أمي يا أغلى الناس، يا أبتي يا تاج الراس، يا أمي يا أغلى الناس، يا أبتي يا تاج الراس، في الجنة وأمام الناس، في الجنة وأمام الناس، ألبسكم أغلى التيجان، ألبسكم أغلى التيجان. نحن فتيات القرآن ننعم في خير وأمان، نحن فتيات القرآن ننعم في خير وأمان، بتلاوة آيات فضلى من عند الله الرحمن، من عند الله الرحمن. هيا هيا يا أخواتي انضمينا للحلقات، هيا هيا يا أخواتي انضمينا للحلقات، اجنينا أعظم بركاتي، اجنينا أعظم بركاتي، صرنا من أهل القرآن، صرنا من أهل الرحمن. نحن فتيات القرآن ننعم في خير وأمان، نحن فتيات القرآن ننعم في خير وأمان، بتلاوة آيات فضلى من عند الله الرحمن، من عند الله الرحمن.
Movita, she is a class teacher of senior KG. She want to express her experience and interactions about her class.
Today I am very happy to express my experience for the last 1 year with this school and children's and my colleges. Small children's like beautiful flowers. They are very innocent in childhood. They don't know what is right, what is wrong, but it is not an easy task to teach and understand the matters to the small children. After the COVID-19 pandemic, school children are out of combined study for nearly 1.5 years. In that time, they are almost far away from the daily school activities. When the school restarted, it is very difficult to withhold the children. Some children are crying, some of irritating, and another some students not listening carefully. That is the problems at the very beginning. But it disappears very soon, and day by day it becomes easy to teach and learn subjects to the children. They are able to read and write and also singing and dancing with each other very happily. I enjoyed a lot from these beautiful kids and well supported by school administrator and staffs and also my collegians. I am very excited today for giving me an opportunity to talk about my teaching experience. I wholeheartedly thanks all of you. Thank you one and all.
The graduate's name.
Congratulations, fellow graduate Mohammad Ali Rayan. Please, parents, clap your hands. Congratulations, fellow graduate Mohammad Kader Tanveer. Congratulations, fellow graduate Mohammad Muaz. Congratulations, fellow graduate. Mohammad Rayan Riaz. Congratulations, fellow graduate. Kanit Muhammad Hussain. Congratulations, fellow graduate.
Congratulations, little graduates. Now I request our President Janab Haji A.K. Mohiddin, correspondent of TIPPU Sultan, present the graduation certificate to the graduates.
Muhammad Shamil. Congratulations, fellow graduate. Muhammad Ilyas Nafil. Congratulations, fellow graduate. Muhammad Izan A.K. Congratulations, fellow graduate. Hashim bin Ashraf. Congratulations, fellow graduate. Muhammad Bashir Rihan. Congratulations, fellow graduate.
Now I request Abdul Shamir, Secretary of TIPPU Sultan, present the graduation certificate to the graduate.
Umar Niaz. Congratulations, fellow graduate. Muhammad Qadar Afil. Congratulations, fellow graduate.
Big hands, big.
Fauzan Abdul Aziz. Congratulations, fellow graduate. Aisha Nafisat Sahla. Congratulations, fellow graduate.
Now I request our headmaster, Hamid Malad, to present the graduation certificate to graduates.
Congratulations, fellow graduate. Khatija Nasmiya. Congratulations, fellow graduate. Zainabu Sanum Simra. Congratulations, fellow graduate. Aisha Naima. Congratulations, fellow graduate. Shaza Fatima. Congratulations, fellow graduate. Fatima Nahana. Congratulations, fellow graduate.
Now I request our TIPPU Sultan School Headmistress, Mrs. Geeta Ma'am, to present the certificate to the graduates.
Congratulations, fellow graduate. Sara Afra. Congratulations, fellow graduate. Fatima Marwa Muhammad. Congratulations, fellow graduate. Amina Fatima Amna. Aisha Shiza. Amina Fatima Amna. Congratulations, fellow graduate. Maimuna Falila. Congratulations, fellow graduate. Aisha Azmi Asif. Congratulations, fellow graduate. Congratulations, fellow graduate. Zuleika Shaspa. Congratulations, fellow graduate. Hawa Amna. Congratulations, fellow graduate. Alima Nuha Fatima. Congratulations, fellow graduate. Aisha Shadufa. Congratulations, fellow graduate.
The wonder of teaching is watching caterpillars becoming butterflies. ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ನೀಡುವುದು ಎಂದರೆ ಮರಿಹುಳುಗಳು ಚಿಟ್ಟೆಗಳಾಗಿ ಪರಿವರ್ತನೆಗೊಳ್ಳುವ ಒಂದು ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದ ದೃಶ್ಯ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Our teachers has put in their 100% effort in making our kids learn in fun and happy faces. Now our students has become butterflies and ready to fly. And they have tirelessly worked hard and it's time to appreciate their hard work. I would like to call upon our teaching and non-teaching staffs to accept a little keepsake as a token of gratitude. Mrs. Mohita, please ma'am, of our school to give the token of gratitude. Mrs. Mohita, thank you for facilitating such a positive learning environment for our kids. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Now would like to call upon Mrs. Mrudula Jeevan Bangera. I request Janab UK Abbas, President of Kotepura Juma Masjid, to give token of gratitude. Thank you, Mrs. Mrudula, for being always passionate about teaching, so much care and patience. Thank you, ma'am, and thank you, sir. I request Janab Hamabba, member of Betterment Committee, to give the token of gratitude. Thank you so much, Farida, for making our children, our kids more comfortable and for the constant support towards our children, especially in Islamic studies. Thank you. Thank you, sir. And last but not the least, our non-teaching staff, Mrs. Vijaya. I request Janab Shamsher, member of our Betterment Committee and backbone of our English medium school, to give the token of gratitude. Thank you, Mrs. Vijaya, for lots of love and care towards our children like your own. It's a pleasure. I glad to thank again all the teaching staffs for your dedicated services. One more thing, I would like to call upon our high school teacher, Ishwar sir. Please come to the stage for decorating today's stage. It's a beautiful stage. Thank you, sir. I request Janab Samad, Secretary of Betterment Committee, to give the token of gratitude. And also I would like to call Allah Baksh sir for the support. Thank you, one and all.
Presidents Janab Haji A.K. Mohiddin Safe.
ಈ ದಿವಸ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಆ ಒಂದು ಕನಸು ಏನಿತ್ತು, ಕೋಟೆಪುರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಶಾಲೆ ಸ್ಥಾಪನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯಾಗಬೇಕು, ಈ ಭಾಗದ ಬಡವರಿಗೆ, ಬಡ ಜನತೆಗೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ಆಂಗ್ಲ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದ ಆ ಒಂದು ಕಲಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ನೀಡಬೇಕು ಎಂಬ ಒಂದು ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಸ್ಥಾಪನೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಮುಖ ಪಾತ್ರ ವಹಿಸಿದಂತಹ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ HM ರಾದಂಥ MS ಮಲಾರ್ರವರು, ಇವರೊಂದು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ದರ್ಗಾ ಸಮಿತಿಯವರ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ, ಅಬ್ದುಲ್ ರಶೀದ್ ಹಾಜಿಯವರು, UK ಮೋನ್ ಇಸ್ಮಾಯಿಲ್ರವರು, ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿನ ಈ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಸಮಿತಿಯವರು UT ಖಾದರ್ ಅವರ ಆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹದಿಂದ ಇದು ಸ್ಥಾಪನೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ನೋಡುವಾಗ ಇದು LKGಯಿಂದ UKGಗೆ ಪಾದಾರ್ಪಣೆ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಸಂದರ್ಭ, ಗ್ರಾಜ್ಯುಯೇಷನ್ ಡೇ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಪೋಷಕರನ್ನು ಕರೆದು ಅವರ ಎದುರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್, ಅವರ ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆಯನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಸಂದರ್ಭ ಬಹಳ ಒಂದು ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮವಾಗಿ ಮೂಡಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಇದು ನಿಜಕ್ಕೂ ಈ ಕೋಟೆಪುರಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಸಂದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಗೌರವ. ಇದನ್ನು ಮುಂದುವರಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ಮತ್ತು ಸಹಾಯ ಸಹಕಾರ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದು ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಎಂಬುದಾಗಿ, ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಈಗ ಈ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ತರಬೇತಿಯನ್ನು ಗಳಿಸುವಂಥ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ಗಳು, LKG UKGಯ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ಗಳು, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ಕೊಡುವಂಥ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿ ವರ್ಗದವರು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಾನು ಈ ಮೂಲಕ ಧನ್ಯವಾದವನ್ನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾ, ಈ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೋಡುವಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕವನ ನೆನಪಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ದೇವರಿಗೆ ಸಮಾನ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರಾಜ್ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರು ಒಂದು ಮಾತು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಗುತ್ತಾ ನಗುತ್ತಾ ಬಾಲು ನೀನು 100 ವರ್ಷ ಎಂದು ಹೀಗೆ ಇರಲಿ ಇರಲಿ ಹರ್ಷ ಹರ್ಷ, ಬಾಲಿನ ದೀಪ ನಿನ್ನ ನಗು, ದೇವರ ರೂಪ ನೀನೆ ಮಗು, ನಗುತ್ತಾ ನಗುತ್ತಾ ಬಾಲು ನೀನು 100 ವರ್ಷ. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ನಗ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿ, ಮನೆಯವರು ಸಂತೋಷ ಪಡಲಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕುಟುಂಬಕ್ಕೂ ನಿಮಗೂ ದೇವರು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭಾಶಯವನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತಾ ನಾನು ಮಾತನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್.
I would like to call upon Allah Baksh sir. I request Janab MS Malal sir to give the token of gratitude.
Now, vote of thanks by Miss Farida ma'am.
We thank you Janab UK Abbas, President of Jumma Masjid, Kotepura Ullal. We thank you Janab Shamsher, TIPPU Sulthan School Betterment Committee member. We thank you Janab Hammabba Tippu Sultan School Betterment Committee member. We thank you Janab Samad UK Tippu Sultan School Secretary of Betterment Committee member. We thank you Janab Rahman Tippu Sultan School Betterment Committee member. We thank you Janab Hamid Tippu Sultan School Betterment Committee member. We thank you Janab Samir Tippu Sultan School Betterment Committee member. We thank you Janab M.H. Malar, Principal of TIPPU SULTHAN SCHOOLKotepura Ullal. We thank you Geeta Shetty, Administrator of High Schools, who made the event memorable one. My senior thanks to all the teachers and staffs for their hard work and support.
Two little words, two little words, two little words, not goodbye. It's the end of the year, graduation is here. Our two little words to our teachers, moms, dads, grandparents, and all. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you've done. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you've done. You taught us to read and write. You taught us to learn. You told us it'd be alright and how to take our turn. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you've done. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you've done.